of the Christmas.
I'm very exhausted. I'm not feeling well still now. My throat is still irritating me. Surprise from Sanvi.
So happy to see you both again.
Look who's here to meet me.
How are you?
Kota Florina tu. Socorro.
तू ये ते शूट करी तर तुझी बॅटरी काढ बाहेर मारतो
Koto.
पुष्ट आहे नो
Look at these people. Look at these two people.
ये कलर नहीं है इधर.
I can't believe that every night you're by my side. Promise I'll stay here till the morning and pick you up when you're falling, when the rain gets rough, when you've had enough. I just sweep you off your feet and fix you with my love, my only one.
किसा लांब बेजार किती हा तू
12 o'clock we came.
एक और किसा एक बार आंदो करो आता एक थोंड करपा आखे गरम जाते हैं आता एक थोंड करपा नींबू सोडा पी बोलते का
हाँ you only. अरे नका तो त्याच काढा था. It's not helping me. I was recording that.
लेपो लेपो चल मेरे घोड़े हुर 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 रेस थोड़ा है हम दोघां गुण ऐसे जाता है तिंगा तिंगा
I don't know what to say.
First time Florina is left speechless and only with Bushu.
यार मुझ तो इरार वाई कित पकड़े.
Florina अपना बाइक विसरला यहाँ काय आणि हुई रावला ना अपना बाइक वेल काय हुई
मार्क पीस केल मेरे बाबा जय मेरे बाबा.
after literally 10 shops I like the shoes. I was so excited. मागे ड्रेस सोत म्हणा 3000 झालो हा आता इथे अनेक शॉपाचेर ऑलरेडी 5 शॉप चेकआउट केलो आय did not like anything नरे
No.
Hey, Mustafa will check.
Compensate Mustafa.
Okay, chalo, one more. Or else, straight after Panjim, I have one more shop in mind. Another designer that I had contacted. In fact, 2 I have. I remember one more is there. So we're going to go there. I cannot shoot inside because of the designs and anything else. So, see you later. Simon currently buys Sotana.
Simon got to buy something.
In Mogache Mai.
In Mogache Mai.
Paolo Bay.
Paolo Bay.
This girl is single. But if you have to get a proposal for her, you have to go through me.
That's why I'm single for right now. The main cause of having single till date.
See, I love you, no, baby sister. I want the best for you.
Exactly. Even the better I won't get. Forget the rest.
सायबीन माईक पावून आम स्ट्रेट अवे पणजे गेली मामा आनी सिफोनान केन्ना बोंबील ट्राय केलना दॅट्स वाय वी हेडेड ऑफ स्ट्रेट टू बोंबील फॉर लंच द फूड द एम्बियन्स इज जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल एंड अमेजिंग इवन द स्टाफ लुक एट दिस फूड लुक एट सिफोना डूइंग हर फूड डांस एंड ऑफ कोर्स malapo lapo. Then we went to Mapsa, remembering all our childhood days over here in the Carmelite monastery. And then on my way home, I went to sleep. Sossegado. Boypur excited कि their Eldon is on his way to Goa. Right now it's about 2:10 in the morning and I'm still not falling asleep because I had a lot of things to sort out and I was tracking his flight also. You know that excitement. थोड़े दिन हम we were living apart but it was very difficult. I don't know. Salute to everyone who are in a long distance relationship. तो खुद को मैनेज करते थे माँ को बना but it's very very difficult for me. So when he called me that he is leaving and he's in the flight, I answered his call and he was like, "Baby, okay?" And I was like, "Yeah, yeah, I'll call you back. I'll call you back." I think he was going to tell me that he's in the flight and he's leaving. So I'm just feeling guilty that I couldn't say that, baby, safe journey and I love you and I can't wait to see you.